Hi guys, my name is Adriaan, and a few years ago I graduated from the University of Amsterdam with a master's degree in history.
Hi guys, my name is Machiel and I'm a graduated law student at the University of Utrecht.
And together we are going to organize a webinar for young professionals who'd like to know more about career opportunities with one of the many tech start and scale-ups that we have in the Netherlands. And the reason we're doing this is because we noticed how many people are unaware of the huge amount of options within that industry. If you've studied law, for example, and you know that you want to become a lawyer, then that's fine. But a lot of people, once they've finished university, really have no idea what to do. And then they end up applying for one of the traditional large corporates that everybody knows. But what people don't know is that within start and scale-ups, you can develop yourself super quickly.
So during this webinar, we're going to tell you a bit about our own careers. We both worked for tech start and scale-ups. We developed our careers really quickly there. On the other hand, we'll also give you some insight in what these companies look like, what you'll be able to learn there. So all in all, if you are recently graduated or you're about to graduate and you don't know for sure yet what you want to do, then join this webinar and we'll give you a ton of information what it will look like to work for a tech startup scale-up.
Thanks guys, see you there. Bye.